Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. Bit of a cheeky bonus video this week, as Sunday is not usually my upload day, as you guys know, who are regulars. However, this is a very special collab video. So, as most of you know, myself and Kelly at Chronically Creative Nails both purchased an Aleana hand. We done a collaboration unboxing last Wednesday. I'll link those videos down below, and if you want to check those out. But this is the first time now doing a full set on our new hands, so we're super excited. So as I say, I will link Kelly's channel down below. Don't forget to check out her video after. Go over, say hello to her. She is lovely. So I have the hand all tipped up, ready to go. Our theme is ocean nails, so let's just dive right in and get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off by adding a slip layer of Blingline Cool One Step Gel, my favourite gel, and I would be applying this here to either sculpted nails or tipped nails, so we would have a base all ready to go. This is Sandstone Glitter from Nail Sugar, obviously. And I'm just going to apply this here sort of just around one side of the cuticle and down, sort of just past halfway, sort of down the nail. And then we're going to go in for a cure on that to set that glitter in place. And the colours I'm using today is the beautiful Helen, Tara, and the gorgeous NYX as well. So these three beautiful blue tones, I wanted 3 different tones. And as you can see, I'm just getting on my little palette, I'm just laying out a line of each of those colours, starting off with Helen, then going in with Tara, and then eventually NYX. And getting my gel brush, then I'm just going to lift a portion of that, as you can see, and I'm just going to start applying that onto the nail in a kind of wiggly fashion. It's almost like marbling. I'm just kind of like letting those colours all sort of play in and merge in with each other to create beautiful kind of sea tones. That's what we're aiming for. So once I have that cured, I'm then going to do just a really thin layer of what's kind of like left on my brush. I'm not too bothered. You can dip into whatever colour you want. And then doing exactly the same thing, I'm just going to go in with another little skip and just kind of like pull that down. After that has been cured, then I'm going to go back in with some white hard gel. This is Snow White, and I'm just marbling that in to create what would almost be like sort of the wash of the waves. And again, I'm just doing a tiny bit as well too on the what would be the middle finger there. Using my dotting tool, I'm marbling that in, and then I also dip into some white and add a little bit more detail, as you can see here, just to give that wash effect a little bit more, make it a little bit more obvious. Okay, and this little blue beauty is Pill Party, one of my favourite glitters, and I know it's one of Lolly Hamilton's, our team's favourite glitters as well. Probably Sarah too, actually, because she's a blue girl through and through. So as you can see, I'm just adding a tiny little bit of that. I don't want to go mad, I don't want to go overboard with that. I just want to kind of create what would look like little bubbles. And I've cured that then onto those colours, and now I am going to encapsulate everything with my Cool One Step Gel. And once I'm happy with that there and have everything encapsulated, then we will go into the lamp for a cure. Okay, so I'm moving on now to both the pinky and the index finger, because I'm doing the same design on both. And what you see here is me mapping out where I want my extended nail bed to be. If I don't do this, I tend to muck it up royally. So I find that this helps me. And obviously with gel, following gel, it's just an easier way for me to do it. So I like to map that out first, and then I apply my little pearl of gel, just gently patting it round the cuticle area, and then bringing it down to sort of marry up with that kind of that little template that I've created. I'm going to do one layer of that and then cure it, and then I will go in with a second layer, because if we go too thick, we're going to have curing issues. So that's me going in now with the second layer, and once I have it applied, then again we'll go in for another full cure. Okay, now to add some colour. I have filed and shaped my extended nail bed, and I'm now ready to just add some more of that beautiful Helen. I have a little bit of Helen, a little bit of Tara, and a little bit of Snow White here, just kind of like marbled into each other on my palette, and I'm just applying it. I think that's my crystal nails brush, my little sort of flat edge brush that I find much easier whenever applying colours like this. So once I have that applied, I'm happy enough with that. What I'll do is I'm going to add some more of that Pool Party, just to add a little bit more sparkle, and then we will go in for a cure. Okay, so I'm now going in with some nail foil gel, and I'm just applying it just around the edges of the pinky and the index. Once that's been cured for 30 seconds, as you can see, I'm going in with some gold foil. Sorry for my thumb there just peeking through. My glove just broke. So we just had to go with it at that point. But now I'm encapsulating everything, and once I'm happy with everything encapsulated, then we will go in for a cure. Okay, so at this point I have the nails all filed and buffed and refined, and I'm going in now with my sealer plate from Moyu, and I just wanted to add some little elements to just to sort of make it even more oceany, just to sort of, really bring out that theme. So I'm using this plate, as you can see, with some white stamping gel polish, and going in with my Moyu, I think that's the crystal clear stamper. I'm just removing any little bits that is on that stamper that I don't want to transfer onto the nail. And I'm just pressing that down. And there we go, that is kind of our little seaweed effect stamping. And I really like this in white. I was kind of debating whether I should do it in gold, but it definitely popped better in white. And that's me just top coating those two now, so I can move on then to the index and pinky again. So once we've that top coated, we will go in for a cure, and then we're moving on then to the final stages of the design. And I wanted this here nail, both the pinky and the index finger, to have this kind of seashell effect. So using some of my hard gel again, I think this was a cool one step I used. I'm going in with the nail art brush, and I'm just applying little lines from the free edge and sort of marrying that up in the center. Once I'm happy, I'll go in for a cure. Ta-da! And there we go, that is the finished look. That is my take on our Ocean Nail collab. I think I've pretty much thrown everything at this set. I've done 3D, I've done foil, glitter, there's crystals there, the whole shebang. I don't know, is it too much? I don't know. I like it. I had such fun doing it, and I really enjoyed this. Don't forget to go check out Kelly's channel and see what beautiful nails she has created. Loved working with the Aleana hand, absolutely amazing. So I'm going to go now, grab a cuppa, go watch Kelly's video, and wish you guys all a very good week, and I will see you again on Wednesday. Have a good one. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and leave me a little hello down below. Bye.